Two. Two of the largest Mexican indigenous groups are descendants of the Aztecs and the Maya. The Aztec descendants speak Nahuatl and reside mainly in rural communities in central and coastal Mexico. The Maya people, on the other hand, are spread across the countries of Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, and Honduras. With a population of about 6 million, they speak a form of the Maya language that has been around for 5,000 years, although the language differs regionally. Recently, there has been an upsurge in the appreciation of Mexico's indigenous cultures. For example, the colorful artwork of the Wixárikari, also known as the Huichol, has gained mainstream appeal. Additionally, a growing indigenous rap music scene in Mexico City includes rappers who perform in their own indigenous languages. One rapper, Juan Santiago Tellez, says, "For some, speaking in their own language is a joyous thing because it is an act of community if there are many speakers. But if there are very few speakers, it is an act of resistance, an attempt to keep the language alive." These individuals have found a way to use their art not only to express themselves, but also to help a wider audience appreciate their indigenous backgrounds.